So, Google just announced a $3,000 Chromebook. Yeah, a Chromebook. The laptop category, famous for being cheap, simple, disposable, is now suddenly premium because they slapped AI in it. And I'm sitting here like, who exactly asked for this? They're calling it Googlebook, and it's basically a Chromebook that went to private school. Gemini baked into everything, a glowing light bar, a magic pointer, a price tag that looks like it belongs on a MacBook Pro. But here's the trick. This isn't about making it better, a laptop. This is about making a laptop that requires Google AI to function the way they want. It's not a computer anymore. It's an AI terminal. And Microsoft shows up with the new ARM Copilot PC, NPU. This NPU, that AI feature that works on new hardware, translates your perfectly good laptop into obsolete because we said so. The same playbook, different logo. This is the new big tech strategy. Push AI features, lock them behind hardware, call it innovation, and quietly remove your control in the process. It's not about performance, and it's certainly not about dependency, or it is about dependency. If your device needs the cloud, their model, their ecosystem, then it's not your device anymore. This is why personal digital sovereignty matters, because the second your laptop becomes a subscription box with a key, you're not the owner, you're the product. Meanwhile, Linux is over here running beautifully on a 10-year-old Optiplex. Like, hey, buddy, I still work. I'm still yours. I don't need glowing bars to prove it. Yeah, Google can keep their $3,000 Googlebook. Microsoft can keep their NPU gate. Windows, because the future isn't AI first or cloud first. The future is user first. And if that don't control your device, and if you don't control your device controls you. That's the ramble. Coffee's still warm. Sovereignty's hot.